Now this is interesting. In the 26 plus years that I've lived here, I've never seen one of these before turn up in the backyard. And this is an Australian brush turkey. They live in the semi-rainforests and rainforests of the eastern coast of New South Wales and Queensland, but yeah, a little bit rare to see them in this area since it's supposed to be exterminated. However, this brush turkey, they build a mound for a nest. It's about 4 metres wide, and that's where they lay their eggs. Now, this bird turned up when I was doing some feeding for other birds. So you'll see brown cuckoo doves, galahs, rosella, and a sulphur-crested cockatoo. Note too those very strong-looking, powerful legs. I mean, he uses them for digging and obviously fighting. And when you look at it, you can honestly believe that birds are the descendants of dinosaurs. So enjoy this visit to my backyard that has no cats or dogs, but plenty of Australian wildlife.